So what you are observing on the board, this is part 2, unit 3 section. Unit 3 half section deals about variable impedance type static wire generators. Okay, means how to generate reactive power, and also we are going to observe how to observe the reactive power also. So in third unit, second half completely deals about how to vary the impedance to obtain wear compensation or reactive power compensation. Okay, fine. And in that one we are going to learn about switched converter type. Switched converter type. Here I want to teach two words. Those words are switched and controlling. Switched and controlling. Switched means a fixed capacitance or fixed reactance value is added. Controlling means if you consider a reactor, the reactor value can be varied. Observe the difference. Switched capacitance or switched reactor means a fixed value of capacitance or reactor value or reactance value is added to the system with the help of thyristors. Similarly, controlling means a inductor will be considered and a thyristor will be connected in series with that inductor. By varying the firing angle of the thyristor, the reactance value can be varied. If you vary the reactance value, impedance value will be varied. Thus, reactive power compensation can be achieved. That's the difference. That's the first one. Next, coming to unit 4. These are the topics in unit 4. Static wear compensators. Static wear compensator. Here, variable impedance type static wear compensators. In fourth unit, we are going to observe only static wear compensators. Simply. The difference you will observe here. The main two types in static wear compensation are FCTCR. First circuit is FCTCR. Means fixed capacitor, thyristor controlled reactor. Observe FCTCR. Fixed capacitor is connected along with a reactor. Next type is TSC-TCR. Thyristor switched capacitor. Thyristor controlled reactor. I told already, switching means we are going to connect a capacitor or reactor, fixed value. So into the system, a fixed value of capacitance or reactor will be added. Controlled means we can obtain the different reactance values by varying the current flow or nothing but firing angle of the thyristor. And in that fourth unit, another half is STATCOM. Important one. Static synchronous compensator. Okay. Full form is static synchronous compensator. We will study this one. We will take one circuit and we will study this one. And we are going to compare the static wear compensators and static synchronous compensators. We will understand the difference. These are the 4 topics. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, coming to unit 5. The concepts are series compensation. I told in the first part, 5th unit is related to series compensation. 3rd and 4th related to shunt compensation. So these devices are connected in parallel. Whereas in 5th unit, the devices connected in series. So the topics are, what is the objective of series compensation? Why we require? Okay. Next, concept, how to achieve series compensation. In that series compensation, 3 types are there. GTO thyristor controlled series capacitor. Control, whenever you observe the word control, means by varying the firing angle of the thyristor, we are going to obtain the different impedance value. Here capacitance nature, capacitive nature is varied. How we will understand? Next one, GTO thyristor means gate turn off thyristor. Controlled series capacitor. Capacitor is connected in series with the transmission line. Next, TSSC means thyristor switched series capacitor. Thyristor switched series capacitor means we are adding a fixed value of capacitance. Remember that one. Switching means fixed value is added to the system. Next, thyristor controlled series capacitor. Thyristor controlled series capacitor. So these are the three these are the three devices we are going to study in its operation, related waveforms and circuit diagrams. These two concepts are related to why and what, benefits, advantages, disadvantages. So this is about the overview. This is part 2.